Welcome to Animals and Video's weekly video, and today I'm going to make a video about the rally car versus Formula on the countryside. Level 11. I'm not going to do it fully upgraded, and the next week I'm going to do it Forest, and then City, Mountain, Winter, Mines, Desert Valley, and Backwater Bog. But I'm not going to do it on Beach because I'm saving it for the supercar. Me and my dad does not want to waste money on the stupid beach course. So I'm going to go onto the countryside, go with the rally car and the Formula. They're same level 11, no more. So I wanted to be fair. And the Formula is pretty much the best car fully upgraded. So I'm just loading the rally car. And I did a somersault on the bridge last time I was doing this. It glitches a lot. It's going to glitch on your iPad if you have hill climb. And then the Formula, it's not as good when I have it unless you do this and do not let off the brake. It'll go pretty fast. Can get a big beating. And I think that was my dad driving the sports car right there. He holds the record. Or no. Yeah, I beat my dad once when he beat my record on the countryside, and then I went back and beat him. So I hold all the records and the in my Drive as Far as You Can courses. And also, except the mountain, I do not hold that. There's this person from TNT that he beat my record on the mountains. I was just playing his Nintendo and he took mine. I'm rich in diamonds. I have like... And ball and fuel. Hey, come on. That's my little brother whining back there. Mom made a funny video about him whining. Pitching a big fit. I hate when I run out of fuel. And it shows how much meters you went right there and how many you have to go right there to beat the record. It never stops. As far as you can. Dang, I hate this range of hills. I'm probably gonna die. Yes. I have to get that. No, will not die. Because if you run out of fuel, you will die. Or if you wreck. And even if the people beat you, like they're ahead of you or something, it doesn't matter. You're just trying to drive as far as you can. Trying not to wreck. It doesn't matter if you don't. It only matters if you don't wreck. Might be my record for the rally car. I don't think I'm going to beat the record for a personal record. But I might beat the rally car record. I love that they have little ranges of coins. Even on the races they do. I think they do. I don't know. So I had 91,000 coins and I spent 80,000 of it in the Backwater Bog. Yeah, my dad's really angry. Let's see what the Formula does. The Formula always wrecks really easily. could be doing some flips, but there's not that much. Like if I flip like there, there's not enough ground between me and that mountain. I would hit the ground probably, unless you're really talented or you luck out. And my fuel's about to go empty. It's trying to be not realistic because the fuel goes out way easier than real life. If our fuel was running out that quick, we would be broke in a day buying gas. And I might actually be our personal record. My personal record. Come on. No. Yeah, this is almost impossible to beat. New record. That's a new record for the rally car. I never thought I would do this. Because I never can get past that little ditch. Except once in the sports car I looked out and did it. I need to get out of this ditch before it goes empty. And then I won't be able to get out and I'll die in the ditch. And Bill, get up here. I'm about to beat the other record. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of fuel.